Hey, what's up, traders? So watch this video for what day is coming up here? Wednesday, October 16th. Showing you the SPY. Let me go to 5-minute candles. For those of you who weren't chatting today, the SPY just kind of grinded up after gapping up a little bit and looked like it was going to roll over and then just went into this slow, measured grind all day and then straight sideways the rest of the day. It was actually a pretty frustrating day. Because the last 2 days we've seen some crazy low float runners, and I'm wanting to get back on that train and trade some of those again. But I also said, and I've been saying, that we're heading into earnings season, which can oftentimes squash the low float plays, but they haven't run in so long that the last 2 days they are. It was kind of a weird scenario, right? Low floaters coming back into favor right when they usually stop working, but they haven't worked in so long. So anyway, I didn't really know what to think about today. And I want to show a couple of them. But anyway, there's a SPY. So let me show a couple of these recent movers, BIMI. Look what it did today. They just sold the bejesus out of it. SES is another one. Look at that. So somebody actually bought that at 26 yesterday, and now it's at 9.55. This is the kind of crazy market we're in. But yet there's still sporadic things moving. This DTSS made a huge move today before giving it back in the afternoon. Really cratered there, but it actually held up pretty well until the final hour. Anyway, actually everything I just showed you is on the watch list for tomorrow. I'm not in love with this list at all. I'm not a huge fan of trading the low float plays when earnings season is coming in full swing. But I don't know. The plus is earnings season should give us some good plays too. Anyway, having said all that, I still have a list pretty much of all low floaters for tomorrow, and we'll see. There are some great pullback opportunities in some of these. So you really want to be selective, and I will be tomorrow. Well, I will be looking for some of my favorite setups. The trick is identifying the powerful ones early and then placing your bids for the pullbacks and that sort of thing. All right. So anyway, having said all that, let's just go right into it. BIMI, that's crazy action. Nasty fall from 12 to the low was 493. That's in one session. But then you look back and say, well, the whole thing started, it was about a buck something, right? 3 sessions ago. So anyway, you slice it, it's still kind of in the middle of its 2-day range, maybe slightly below the middle, but absolutely got to watch it, right? Same thing with SES. A lot of people underwater in these now, but still worth watching for an A+ intraday setup. If I don't get one, I don't trade it. OCGN, I'm not in love with this. Obviously an ugly daily chart, showing you 15-minute candles now, though. We had a really nice trade in it back this day, remember? And then you've got 3 days in a row where it didn't break out in the afternoon, and then today it did break out in the afternoon with a fairly strong close. Glancing at after hours, it's trading at 170 something right now, so it is gapping up in after hours. We see that a lot in this kind of market. Anyway, we're going to watch that one. DTSS, I already showed you this one. Let me go back to the daily. Try that one more time. Closing well off its highs, but I still want to watch it tomorrow. PETZ. For this stock, that's a nice volume spike and a fairly strong close. I want to watch that for a follow-through day tomorrow. VIVE, nothing pretty here, but in after hours, this thing right now is trading at 530. It looks like it maybe hit 6. It got close to 6 anyway in after hours. So let me zoom in, knowing that it's trading up here over 5. This could be the low flow runner tomorrow. I don't know, but we'll see, right? We'll trade it if it gives a setup. And then TOPS, kind of zoomed in here, but it's worth looking at. We had this nice pop yesterday, and then today kind of a quiet inside day. This one might get a third day play. So that's it. That's not a very big list. It's not a very good list. But as earnings season unfolds, we're going to have a lot of stuff to trade. And then hopefully we'll catch one or two of these low float runners. It's a unique time in the market with low floaters here and there just going absolutely nuts, but earnings season coming around, and now some of the low floaters getting slapped back down. It's a good environment, honestly. There's been some really nice trade setups, but it is a little bit hard to get your head around right now. So anyway, let's log in tomorrow morning and chat. Stay focused, build a list of gap plays, and we'll look for those A+ setups. I'm done babbling. We'll see you in chat tomorrow.